The Toshiba Rice Cooker 6-Cup Uncooked is a versatile and intelligent kitchen appliance equipped with industry-leading 3D cooking technology and a 6-step cooking process. With 7 pre-programmed settings, it can perfectly cook a variety of rice types, including white, brown, mixed, short or long-grained rice, as well as oatmeal and porridge, delivering excellent texture, flavor, and aroma. This rice cooker is highly versatile, capable of cooking various types of rice, porridge, soup, stew, and even steaming vegetables, meat, and fish. The Toshiba Rice Cooker employs fuzzy logic technology, which allows it to sense the moisture content of the rice and adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly, resulting in perfectly cooked fluffy rice every time. Designed for ease of use, the cooker has a user-friendly interface with a digital display and menu options, a keep warm function, and comes with accessories including a measuring cup, spatula, soup ladle, and steamer basket. The Toshiba Rice Cooker is also designed for safe, hassle-free cooking with features such as a detachable power cord, lid lock, thermal fuse to prevent overheating, steam vent cap, and automatic shutoff, making it a great option for those wanting a quality rice cooker on a budget.